Here's a quick LensBrace pro tip. Locating your subject in the viewfinder can be quite a challenge with a telephoto lens. Telephoto shooting is like archery, darts, or any target acquisition-based activity. Here's how we target practice to master it. Get comfortable first. Bring the viewfinder to your eye and find your most comfortable hand position on the LensBrace grip and camera body. Select a distant fixed object as your target. We use this blue sign. Zoom all the way out. Let the camera down to a resting position. With your eyes only, look at the target. Now bring the viewfinder back to your eye and center the target in your frame. This is an exercise that requires regular repetition. Start zooming in and repeat until you can put it center frame every time. As your aim improves, select smaller and more distant targets, then moving targets like birds. And keep in mind that this exercise can be done anywhere with any target. Even indoors, we use a light switch on the other side of the room. Repeating this action regularly will build the hand-eye coordination required to quickly pick up your camera, acquire a subject, and be ready to snap as soon as it comes into your field of view, rather than searching all over for it and missing the shot. For more pro tips, visit our website at lensbrace.com.